welcome back to the Alien in the Skull edition. So there he is, looking pretty, and he's just hanging upside down, just, you know, waiting for some resin to be poured on him. It's currently mixing right now, so when that is mixed and all ready, I'll bring you back and we'll pour it over this little alien, and then he'll be encased, and he fits perfectly, so he'll be completely covered. I will leave some at the top and I'll do the rest in like a black galaxy colour. So I will bring you back once that is all mixed and ready to pour. Right, and we're back. So the resin is mixed and we are going to pour it very slowly. I'm doing this one-handed with my phone in my hand so you can actually see. I just want his head covered so that he can, his head will just sit and cure, and then I will do the rest. There's a few bubbles in there, but we'll get them out in a minute. Right, I think that is poured now, so we will just sit back and wait, let that harden a bit, and then do the next part. I might just add a tint of a colour within the head. I don't want it too crystal clear. Right, so we'll just pop that over there. There are a few bubbles, but we'll get those out shortly. So I will bring you back when he's ready. Right, welcome back. So this part of the alien in the skull has cured. As you can see. So now we are going to put more resin in the skull, so he now floats. He is a 3D printed skull, 3D printed alien, so we're going to now pour more resin in. The resin is now mixed. I am using Timu resin, 1:1 epoxy, and it is crystal clear and I love it. So let's get cracking. I think that last cure took 3 hours from when I first started, so it's not too bad. No, it's not cured, it's tacky, should I say, sorry. And with it being 3D printed, it is going to be hollow in parts. So I am going to be very watchful for bubbles. So we'll just coat him in the resin. So any bubbles do come up while I'm doing this. And then they can be popped while it's curing. So what I am going to do is I'm going to stand his body up so that he's actually sitting up in his head, if you know what I mean. So he's upright. But I will do that shortly. We'll just get the rest of this resin out of this cup and then we'll fix him. Oh, I don't know if you heard that, but my shoulder just cracked. Well, there's not much to get from this cup now. So I think that's about all we're going to get from that. Oh, sticky tape. Just give me 1 second and I'll be right with you. Right, so we'll have to manipulate it into so it is standing up, and just put something underneath just to keep him upright. I'll find something to do that in a second. I've got a hot glue gun as well, so let me just put you on pause a sec and I'll bring you right back. Right, I'm back. So I'm sorry about the bad view previously. So he is back and he is now just wedged in there, and some string just holding his feet up. So hopefully he shouldn't go backwards. There are some micro bubbles in there, but they should be all right. But we can only wait and see how he turns out. So when this is cured, I will put a bottom on it because there is some resin that does need to be filled. I haven't filled it all the way because I want to make that bottom like a black galaxy kind of look, and yeah, I just want to make it look really good. So when this is cured, I will mix some more resin and then we will get that finished. So we're back, and the skull with the alien is now completely encased, backed, and we have glitter, and we have, let me show you, metallic paint chameleon mixed with the resin with a gorgeous colour and some glitter as well, and it has lights in it too, so we're not sure how they're going to react, but we shall see once it's been demoulded. And I can't wait for this one. I'm hoping it's going to turn out how I had it in my head. So we'll just have to wait and see. So when it's ready to demould, we'll come back. It's demould day. Welcome back. Look at that colour and the light. I'm hoping that it's going to turn out just the way I want it to. But we shall see. Bear with me a sec, I need some force for this. So there's the back. And there's the alien. Can you see it? Oh, the lights didn't really work. That's a shame. That was only one drop of black alcohol ink though. I might just, if those lights don't really work, then I might just cut them out. It's not an issue. What do you reckon? I think he's cool looking. Let me know in the comments what you think to my little alien in a skull, and we'll see what other creativeness we can come up with. So thank you to everybody who has subscribed. Thank you for all the comments. Don't forget you can buy me a coffee. We do have a discount code for Resin, 20% off with the code RRREAL or RREAL. That will be in the description box below. So thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you again.